What's up, G?
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Anime
What's up?
Minecraft, and today we're chilling on a garbage truck.
Yeah, boy.
Sounds about right. You know,
Yeah.
these babies can hold up to 500 kgs of trash.
Yep.
I made that up.
Okay.
I don't know how much they can hold.
Probably a lot.
Probably a lot. Yeah.
So let's get the good
We should probably get down now.
view.
There are people over there.
Who cares? Pretty sick.
Nice view.
Yeah.
Gotta say,
It's pretty sweet.
it's pretty lit, mate.
Yeah.
Just don't sit down or you might die.
You can't even see off the edge.
No.
My RC car's about there somewhere,
Yeah.
just chilling. We just snapped the drive shaft on it, so that's the end of that.
Rest in peace, that.
Yeah, I got a spare one back home though, so head back over there, replace it.
Just like, you know, push it. No, that's a long way down.
No,
That would be, ouch, oof, my bones.
and that's why I learned how to safety roll.
Yeah. Can you do it in 0.1 seconds though?
I don't know. To be honest, I'd probably just like jump, land, snap my ankles, and safety roll out of it anyway.
Yeah, it's like, oof, my ankle's broken, but at least I safety roll.
Yeah. I did absolutely nothing, but oh well, I did it.
It's kind of slippery actually up here, a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Maybe we should get down.
It's a
Okay,
choice.
well, here we go. Lit fam.
We'll watch you go down, eh?
Again.
And I'll chuck my phone down to you and you can watch me go down.
Here's the bit where I fall off and die. Well, not quite. I can actually use
It's only like, what, 2.5 meters anyway?
I can use a ladder. That's fine. And I can just like...
I love it how like you're just disappearing into the gloom. Like, just see ya.
Grass net. Actually, take it a bit far. I'm not going to grab it, of course, but like...
Here we go.
I don't know if I can see you that well. Here we go, let me come a bit closer. There we go. Your phone has grass on it now, mate.
Boom.
Nice.
Safety roll.
Safety roll away. Whoa, what a legend.
Yeah.